Welcome to the very last video of 2021. I just want to make this video to announce a few stuff that we'll be doing next year or this 2022. But first, I just want to start this video by saying thank you to all of you guys who are watching my videos, to the community, and to Shopify. This year, 2021, has been a very challenging year, and I'm very grateful and happy that we got through all of that. This 2022, I'm looking forward to share with you all everything that I will learn. Yes, that's correct. I'm going to study once again, and I'm going to take my master's degree. But I'm still on my way submitting applications, and so I'm hoping or I'm wishing that I will get accepted or admitted to a good university where I will learn a lot of important skills that will make me a better software engineer. Because I feel like I could do better. I know there's a lot of people saying that you don't really need bachelor's degree or master's degree to become a good programmer, to have a good career, to have a job at Google or Tesla. I know there is a truth in that statement, but one thing that I learned from studying on my own is that it's not easy. There are a lot of distractions and there are plenty of things happening around us. NFTs, now there's metaverse, new frameworks, new languages, and I feel like I'm stuck in this area where I don't know where I should put myself into. It felt like a loop where the condition is always true and I can't return or break out of that condition. I've been doing all of this on my own, so I feel like getting out of my comfort zone and do the stuff that are new. I am craving. J'ai faim et je suis fatigué, très fatigué pour travailler 24/7. So this 2022, I'm looking forward to try something new, and you know what, I'm not going to say try, I will do that. So hopefully in the first 4 months of 2022, I will have good news. Okay, so now let's talk about my plan for this channel and for WeeklyHow. My plan is this 2022 I will release more content related to Shopify theme development. I will also release a new course, but I'm not going to spoil that. I'm not going to say anything about that, but I will release a new course. I will also see if I can cover hydrogen and create storefronts. I think I will make this one into a series, a progressive one. So part 1, part 2, part 3. It's like the PHP Shopify app development. So it's kind of like that. Another thing that I'm thinking is creating our own Discord server where we can easily talk to one another, but I'm thinking it as a bonus to those who took my course on WeeklyHow instead of Udemy. But it's all just a thought, so let me know what you guys think. And lastly, hopefully if I get into a good university, hopefully I will learn something new about business as well, business stuff, because I really want to improve WeeklyHow and make it into an actual e-learning business. So in the next couple of years, hopefully it becomes a better platform where you guys can learn a lot of computer stuff. Once again, I just want to say thank you for supporting the channel, for watching my videos, for taking my course, for watching my lessons, everything that you do in this community. I truly appreciate it. So thank you so much. So guys, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. I hope you guys are having a good time, having a safe holiday. So yeah, I will see you this 2022.